The net continues to tighten around the masterminds behind the $4 million Bulawayo Ecobing armed robbery, with the Zimbabwe Republic Police ZVAITWA confirming the arrest of a third suspect in Botswana. Sarabina mashoko kuda pangwa ine. The third suspect pangwa ine. Another suspect wemu $4 million Ecobing heist. Obatiwa. Don't do subscribe or like on the bell icon. The latest suspect, Bekana Himilo 39, was arrested on 14 July 2025 while attempting to enter Botswana from South Africa. His arrest follows that of Abraham Temaye Wombono and Elijah Temaye Wombono, who were apprehended in South Africa earlier this month in connection with the October 3, 2024 robbery that robbed Zimbabwe's second largest city. ZRP spokesperson Commissioner Paul Yati, in a statement issued today, said Milio's arrest marks a significant breakthrough in the cross-border investigation. Efforts are now underway to have him extradited to the Zimbabwe, where he is expected to face charges relating to the violent heist. In quotes, the due processes of the law are now taking effect for the suspect's extradition to Zimbabwe, read the statement. Police confirmed that more suspects are being pursued and investigations are ongoing. The robbery, which took place at Ecobank, Bulawayo branch, involved the theft of a staggering $4 million and has since sparked an international manhunt across Southern Africa. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is still pursuing the arrest of other suspects who are linked to this case, added Commissioner Nyati, promising that more details would be released in due course. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangwa ene pamsoro aiwape kubatwa kwemamwe suspects awa in the Ecobing heist. Nyangome section menu zamafumuro enyi motu kudi pamsoro pichitko ichi. Usawana subscribe or like, don't want the bell icon.